नमस्ते इंडिया। आपको आज हमारा जो विषय है व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक टुडे इज अबाउट एसिडिटी। देखिए, वी आर ईटिंग लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फूड, स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग द फेस्टिवल सीजन्स। वी आर ईटिंग मोर स्वीट्स, and we are also ordering food from outside home, and lot of junk food we are eating. The result is lot of acidity. Lot of people, millions of people are suffering from acidity. What is acidity? First of all, you experience discomfort in your stomach, you experience sometimes even pain, you experience a lot of gas in your stomach, bloating, and you don't feel like eating. Even sometimes you feel like nausea. And this acidity, I would say, is a now very common disease. Large percentage of our people in our country are using some types of inosalts or some syrups, so in order to reduce acidity. But I am going to tell you that this acidity is a lifestyle disease. What is the cause of the acidity? If you are eating junk food, if you are not drinking enough water every day, and the digestion of the food is not taking place, and one of the reason is you are not having activities, you are not doing any exercise, you are not running, you are not doing any yoga, and therefore I think we can control acidity. I would say that we should try to avoid all medications which you are using in order to release gas from your body or whatever, sometimes ulcers, pain. You know, in our body hydrochloric acid is produced for the digestion of the food, but when acid becomes too high, you are eating highly acidic food, lot of citrus fruits, lot of fried items, lot of sugar products. They will produce lot of acids in your body. And if you are overeating and heavy meals in the night, in the dinner, then 100% acidity will be there. And you know, this acidity can cause many other diseases later on, like cancer and other problems. So today our purpose is that we should adopt a lifestyle, we should change our eating habits so that we can reduce the problem of this acidity. Get up in the morning, 2 glasses of plain water, warm luke water you should drink, empty stomach. And lot of people I have come to know, they are suffering from constipation, that they are not able to pass the stool in the morning. So if there will be constipation, then naturally lot of acid will be produced in the body. So even when acid reflux takes place from the stomach to the food pipe, the acid starts coming, you will feel highly discomfortable. Therefore we are going to change our food habits. No junk food, more water. You can take probiotic foods like curd, and take more fruits, more vegetables, more green substances. And then I will always say that we will do some yoga postures. Some yoga postures are there which reduce the acidity. So few of the yoga poses which I am doing, I am already taken a yoga pose. You can see that what I am doing. I am sitting in Vajrasana. You should try to sit in Vajrasana for 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. You can do deep breathing. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now you see that what I am trying to do here. I am see the posture which I am adopting. These I am going to open these legs and going to sit like this for few minutes. If you sit like this for 3 to 5 minutes every day, the problem of constipation will be relieved. Or you can see my back. If you can't do like this, I can use pillows, I can use something like daris. What I do, if you can't sit in this Vajrasana, you can put this below and sit for 3 to 5 minutes. And then you can breathe. So this is very good yoga pose. You can sit like this. You know, this is very important. Earlier, you know, in the washrooms we had different type of system. Sitting like this helps relieves the constipation, and you can try 3 to 5 minutes or 2 to 5 minutes every day. Slowly and slowly you can increase some of the poses which we have to adopt. What I'm trying is to reduce the acid reflux. I'm taking my glasses off. Now there is another very simple, what we call as a child pose. Child pose. Sit and lie down like this. Child pose, you can take 2-3 minutes. Then you can try this stretching. Two to 3 minutes. Then what I am going to do, cobra pose, 2 to 3 minutes. You can try to sit like this. 2 to 3 minutes. Try this pose. Two to 3 minutes. Sit comfortably like this. Two to 3 minutes. You can do the other side. And I can do downward dog. What I am trying to show that there are plenty of yoga poses which we can try to relieve the stomach acidity. Drinking lot of water will help us a lot. In the night, take your early dinner before 8 p.m. You can take oats, dalia. Don't take heavy meals, spicy meals. Avoid completely. Avoid sugar products. They are not good for your health. You don't take it. And there is another important breathing which is called diaphragm breathing. Breathing techniques are very useful and helpful. If we will change our lifestyle, naturally we will be able to get rid of acidity. There is no need to put those solutions which you are using, medications. They are not good. Ultimately they can lead to ulcers and many other problems. If you have, I can use a chair also. Let me do some diaphragm breathing. Sit comfortably. Relax your body. Deep breathing techniques help a lot. This is my stomach. I will breathe deeply in the stomach. And this stomach, when I will breathe in, it will expand like a balloon. And when I will exhale, it will go inside. It will squeeze. So instead of chest, I am putting all my oxygen in the stomach, what we call diaphragm breathing. So close your eyes. I am putting this chin mudra. I am putting a hand on this stomach so that my belly will expand. Breathe in deeply. Breathe out slowly. Breathe in smoothly, deeply, slowly. Breathe out. slowly breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. You can try 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Keep your spinal cord erect, or if you don't, you can use a pillow to keep the spinal cord erect on the back of this. These breathing techniques are very helpful. Therefore, by changing or doing some yoga exercises, by doing some breathing exercises, by changing your food habits, drinking, you have to drink more of water, and also you have to avoid the junk food, you have to avoid the spicy food, you have to avoid heavy meals in the night, take light meals, eat more fruits and vegetables, and fix a time of eating. And sound sleep is also very essential. If you are not getting a sound sleep, then again you will get acidity. Even in the night you will feel a lot of discomfort in the stomach. Therefore, habit of early to rise and early to bed is a very good thing for your health. So get up early in the morning, take a morning walk, do some breathing exercises, do some yoga exercises in the morning, and keep up a time of sleeping. Sound sleep is essential. Try to sleep between 10 to 11. Don't sleep late nights. Late night sleeping is also not good. And another problem which is the cause of acidity is the stress. Your workload, your stress is so heavy that it is producing a lot of acids in your body because the food is not getting digested. And people who are used to sitting on chairs for longer period of time will also experience acidity. So while at work on the chair, you keep on standing, sitting, standing, sitting. In between, after 1 hour, you will get some time. Activity is very important. You have to keep your body parts moving, or the digestion will not take place, the metabolism will not take place. You are short of oxygen and your body machines are not working effectively, and they become sluggish, slow and slow. Therefore, why I brought this acidity, because during the festival season people are complaining of large amounts of acids in their body, and they are not able to enjoy the food which they are eating, because already excess sugar, excess fried food and all those material is inside the body. Even the liquids which you are drinking, alcohol no, smoking no, aerated drinks no. Take your own lemon water or juices from the fruits fresh, that is much better for you. Don't take canned food, packed food items. They always contain preservatives and chemicals which disturb the sequence of metabolism. Therefore, I would say that together we can help in reducing the acidity, and by making lifestyle changes, you will be able to do and get rid of the medications which you are taking every day. A lot of people are taking, I know about it. So adopt some yoga poses and lifestyle changes. तो नमस्ते, मैं फिर मिलता हूँ नेक्स्ट टाइम आपसे। आपके लिए ही मैं काम करता हूँ और कोशिश है कि हम डिसीज फ्री बॉडी रहें। माई पर्पज इज दैट वी शुड बी मेडिसिन फ्री, वी शुड हैव ए मेडिसिन फ्री लाइफ इन अवर एवरी डे। नमस्ते।